In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number in Yahoo Mail. If you need to update your contact information or add a new phone number for security purposes, follow these steps and you'll have it done in no time. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Yahoo website. Simply type in the URL for Yahoo Mail or search for it and it should take you to the login page. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account by entering your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your account securely. After logging in, look for the account icon, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select the option that says Manage Your Account. This will redirect you to a new page where you can make changes to your account settings. Now, on the Account Management page, you'll see several options. What you want to do next is click on the Security option. This will take you to a section dedicated to your account security settings. It's always a good idea to periodically review these settings to ensure everything is up to date. Once you're on the security page, find the section titled Phone Numbers. Click on this section to manage your phone numbers associated with your Yahoo account. Here, you can see any numbers you currently have on file. To add or change a phone number, click on the option that says Add Phone Number. This will prompt you to enter your new phone number. Carefully type in the number you want to associate with your Yahoo account. Double check to make sure there are no typos, as this number will be used for verification purposes. After entering your new phone number, Yahoo will offer to send a verification code to you via WhatsApp. Ensure you have WhatsApp installed on your phone and that the provided number can receive messages through it. Once you receive the code, open WhatsApp to find it, then return to your browser and enter the code in the space provided on Yahoo's site. And that's it! Your phone number is now updated. This step not only keeps your account information current, but also adds an extra layer of security to protect your Yahoo Mail account. Remember to keep your recovery options up to date to prevent any future access issues. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.